am so excited. I'm just like, ah, yes. So I am so thrilled. I can't even tell you how thrilled I am. So today is the day that we are drawing for this basket. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. This is so amazing to me because if you are wanting to start a new skincare regimen, guys, this is going to do it because there is so many goodies from The Ordinary in here, from Good Molecules, from CeraVe, just face mask, sunscreen, different. I was like, this is really light. But there's something in here. I was like, is there anything in here? Yeah, this is your, well, it's not a, it's not tretinoin. It's a different, it's adapalene, but it is it's like a tretinoin. It works like a tretinoin, but it's adapalene is the active ingredient. But this is probably the best way to get started on some type of something that's going to turn your cells over like tretinoin will. And it's available. Everything is available at your local Walgreens. Anyway, this whole basket's coming to you, baby. This whole basket's coming to you. And I am so excited because one of my subscribers is winning this. This is the day that we are drawing for it. So I have put this in the random comment picker, and I have got one winner that has been chosen from the random comment picker. Now, I just want to say that, you know, this is in no way, shape, form, or fashion associated with YouTube. I have purchased, whoo baby, did I purchase this. This is like $100 giveaway right here. Purchased this with my own money. For you, because I love you guys so much, and I just, you know, I love doing giveaways. I love helping you out if you're having problems. You know, being able to just, this is, you know, hard to go out and just like purchase all this stuff at once, but hopefully you'll be able to, you know, purchase a piece here and a piece there as you go along. You'll know what to purchase if you're on the struggle bus, and, you know, it'll get you started in the right direction for your skincare. And also, I've got my palette tune trivia that is up, and yeah, so don't forget to go over there and check that out, because that drawing will be up next Saturday. We'll be drawing for that. So yeah. Also next week, you know, this is the month for love. This is the month for love. And Jess, Gus, and I are going to be showing you some love. Let me tell you, we are going to be showing you some love. So don't forget about that. Also, if you guys could just see the hot mess that this room is. Oh, let's see. Let me get it. So, also, if, you know, Jess, whenever we did our Get Ready With Me's with using the iconic London Day to Slay palette, well, I had an extra one too, and she didn't tell me that she was going to do a giveaway in that Get Ready With Me, and she did a giveaway, and I would have done one too, but she didn't tell me, so I didn't know if we were going to like be using those palettes for something else, you know, like for another giveaway or whatever. And I didn't know that she had gotten an extra one, or maybe she didn't know that I had gotten one too. I don't know. We have a miscommunication on that one. But also, I have got my extra iconic London. This palette is gorgeous. And so, if you want to win this Day to Slay palette from Iconic London, guys, this is beautiful. I hope I'm not blinding you, but it is so pretty. So if you want to win that, so you remember last time Jess had her giveaway, and she said, you know, just enter the word squirrel, because she's always having a squirrel moment. So if you want to enter to win this one, enter the word possum in mine. Ain't that funny? That's because I rescued possums. I rescued a possum off of a fence at work one time. So you can enter the word possum if you want to win this one. Don't tell nobody that it's in here. If they don't watch the video, then they won't know what possum's for. Just comment the word possum. That's the secret word for the random comment picker, is the word possum. Okay? So, if you want to win that one, I'm putting that one in this video. And so, that's just going to be a quick turnaround video. And I will draw for that next Saturday too. So there'll be really 2 drawings on that video for next Saturday. One's going to be from a Palette Tune Trivia drawing, and one's going to be for the Iconic London palette. So there's really 2 winners going to be on next Saturday. Yeah, how about that? Yeah. And I'll do it like that. I'll say, you know, this one's for the Palette Tune Trivia palette. This one's for the Iconic London palette. So there'll be 2 separate drawings. 2 of them on next Saturday. Woohoo, baby. So we're going to have lots of giveaways next week on my channel. But anyway, so I'm going to put it... Oh, yeah, this. Y'all want to know who won this. Okay, I'm fixing to put it on the screen. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. The winner of the skincare giveaway is Dover Girl 19789. Okay. All right. So, this is, let's see. Hey girly, awesome video, great goodies, enter me. Okay, my goodness. This is a very good subscriber of mine. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. So, Miss Dover Girl, I cannot believe that you finally have won on my channel, girlfriend. I am so excited for you. Oh my goodness. Okie doke. Woohoo, baby. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? So this little lady has been my friend since last year. We have been fast friends for a year. She subscribed to me when I first started out, and she has given me so much love and support over my entire YouTube stint. And I will tell you, her friendship has meant so much to me, and she has never won anything. And let me tell you, she has been in it to win it. Every single video she comments on, every single time that she is over on Jess Gus's channel too, let me tell you, she gives so much support to me. So I am thrilled. I am thrilled, Dover Girl, that you have won this giveaway. I am so happy that you have been able to pick up a giveaway on my channel. I cannot believe it. I am telling you, I am so happy for you, baby. So I am going to be shipping this out to you. I am just absolutely thrilled. Absolutely thrilled for you. So yay. I'm so glad to finally be able to give back to you. and I appreciate you so much on my channel. You have been a great friend to me, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for all the comments, all the love, all the suggestions that you give to me. And you just mean the world to me, girl. You just mean the world to me. Thank you so much. And thank all of you that have entered and that support me on my channel, that comment to me. You mean the world to me too. I love all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I cannot wait to do, and let me tell you something. There is some good ones coming this week for Valentine's Day. I have got a surprise for you that's coming up, so hang in there and keep watching because I am doing the Valentine's Day gifts. So, yep, let's get this party started. Okay, love you guys. Bye for now.